everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithchar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I've got a great little project to share with you today, and it is using the Twinkle Twinkle Designer Series paper, and it is a shadow box that houses some of these Hershey's. And it also comes with a little gift card. So I'm going to show you how we create today's project. Super easy. I've done one of these shadow boxes before. I will have it at the end of the video. I did score it a little bit differently this time. So yeah, it's two different ways that I've done the shadow boxes. I did also try them in various sizes, so I tweaked some of the measurements as well to get it to the size that I wanted it. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to show you how we create today's project. And the Designer Series paper is the Twinkle Twinkle. I have a piece of, this is Blushing Bride, and this is just an 8.5 by 11. We're going to cut this down. The stamp set I'm using today is Better Together, as well as the tabs for everything, the congratulations. So we need to do some scoring. I have my Hershey's nuggets that I've gone ahead and pre-wrapped. These pieces measure 1 inch by 3 inch. And all I did was took some glue dots and just basically wrapped the Hershey's nugget like so. This is going to be for our lid. So we need to do some scoring, and all the way around the entire paper we need to score at 1/2 inch, 1 inch, 1.5 inch, and 2 inch. Before I even start, we actually needed to cut this paper down. I'm sorry, my brain is not working today. It's Monday. That's what happens on a Monday. So we're actually going to cut this paper down. We are going to cut it down to 8 inches by 10 inches. Just double check. 8 by 10. Yes, 8 by 10. And this we're going to use for the gift card. Okay, so we need to score all the way around. We're going to score at 1/2 inch, 1, 1.5, 2. And you're going to repeat that all the way around. And I already went ahead and did that. So just to save some time. Then on the 8-inch side, you need to score, and you're only going to score down to the second score line. So with the 8.5 at the top, you need to score this at 2.5. And again, we're stopping at 1 inch. Then again at 5.5, and again stopping at the 1 inch on this ruler mark. You're going to rotate it to the opposite side, again the 8-inch at the top, and you're going to do the same thing. 2.5, stopping at the 1 inch, and again at 5.5, stopping at the 1 inch. And that is all the scoring. With your paper snips, it's a little difficult to see, but you are going to cut up where you did those 2 score lines. Then you're going to cut at a diagonal. You're going to cut across. And you're going to cut up. You're going to repeat that on this side. So where those 2 score lines are, you're going to cut up, cut at a diagonal, cut up that score line, and cut across. So you have that shape. And you're going to repeat that on the opposite side. Cut up the 2 score lines, cut at a diagonal, cut straight across, and cut away. Until you're left with that. I'm now going to just miter all these tabs. And now you're going to fold and burnish all your score lines. You are now going to add tear and tape on all these edges. You're going to remove the backing, starting with these bigger tabs because you need to stick those down first. And then you're going to fold that down and fold it over. You're going to fold that down and fold it over like so. Then these pieces are going to slot in like so. You may have to move these over a little bit. But that is the gist of the box. All right. This piece measures 6" by 12". And I am just basically wrapping this around. Giving it a pinch. And then you're going to add some tear and tape. This piece for the gift card, this piece measures 2 3/4 by 7 1/4, and we need to score this at 3 inches. You're going to fold it on the score line. You're going to add tear and tape. And then those strips that we cut away, we're just going to create a little belly band. Cut away the excess. This piece is a 1/2 inch by 7 1/8. I just got a glue dot. I am all over the place this morning. It's Monday and it always messes me up a little bit. I have the tailored tag punch and I am just going to punch out one of these, punch out. Remember those pieces we cut away? I'm actually just going to use that. All right, now I'm just going to cut this piece down. Hope you all had a wonderful weekend. Goes so quick, man. I'm going to attach this to that. And that is going to be your little gift card. You're going to add all your chocolates, your wrapped chocolates. Like so. Add your gift card. Wrap your gift. Just like so. Awesome. You can use this. Again, the piece that you cut away, you can use this as your belly band. And it doesn't matter that there's a piece missing, because you're going to cover that up. This is the Share What You Love. There's some beautiful tags in here. I grabbed a tag. And then I stamped with the gray congratulations on your new arrival. All the best. Ooh. Bit skew, but anyway, that's what I did, and I stuck that on there. This band doesn't move when you open the gift you open the whole thing. So yeah, thank you for bearing with me. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you guys don't miss my next video. If you're in the US and you're interested in any of the products that I used in today's video, I will have them linked down in the description below. I will also have linked in the description the other shadow box that I did. If you click on the link, that will take you to the blog post. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there. I'm tongue-tied and all over the place. Thank you for watching, you guys. Have a wonderful day. Take care.